Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Easy Cook with Mila. I thank all my subscribers and viewers wholeheartedly for supporting me all these days. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my new uploads. Today our recipe is going to be goat's brain fry. I am going to show you how to make this recipe in a simple, perfect and tasty way. Come, let's get started. Bismillah. For this recipe, I have taken 2 goat's brain, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 medium sized tomato cut into big pieces, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and some salt to taste. Let's add in all the ingredients one by one to the vessel. So we are going to cook the brain with all the spices along with ginger garlic paste and tomato as well. Now I have added in 1 glass of water. Mix all the masalas. So let's add in the brains and as well as the tomatoes, which is cut into larger cubes. We are going to cook this for almost 20 minutes, 10 minutes on each side. Let's close and keep it in the high flame. Once the masalas gets boiled, you can bring it to medium. So after 10 minutes, let's flip the brain and we are going to cook this for another 10 minutes. Now the brain is nicely cooked enough. So let's remove all the tomato pieces. We are going to grind this tomatoes so the brain is also cooked enough. So we wanted the masalas to get reduced little bit. So meanwhile we'll remove these brains, let it cool down. We need to cut this into small pieces. So I'm putting this in a medium flame. Let it get reduced. Meanwhile, we'll grind the tomatoes. So let the brine also cool down. We are going to grind this to a fine paste. See, like this. Now the gravy is also reduced. Now switch off the flame. Now let's cut this into small portions. So on the top and this into 2, and I'm going to make this into 3. I prefer to keep it small so that it gets nicely blended with the masalas. So like this, let's do with the other brine also. So now it's ready. Now let's start to fry. I have taken a pan. I'm adding in 5 tablespoons of oil. So to this, let's add all the brine pieces. We need to fry this, not like deep fry. It's a kind of shallow fry. So let's add in all the pieces one by one. Since we are frying, the oil will get splashed. So to avoid that, I'm just closing it with the lid. So we need to fry this. One side it's done. So let's flip all the pieces. You should not over fry the brain. It has to get light golden in color. So one side is done. Again I'm closing it. To the masalas, I am adding in the grinded tomatoes. Let's combine these two together. So meanwhile, this is also fried nicely. You can see it's nice and golden. So at this stage, what we are going to do is we are going to Check the brine. See, nicely it's golden in color. Now we'll add in the masalas along with the tomato puree. Mix it nicely. We are going to cook this for 5 minutes till the masala separates from the oil. So brine is ready now. This is a very good recipe. It goes good with so many items like idiyappam, rice, parathas, chapati, whatever you feel like. It's a very good side dish. You must try it. So it's ready. If you want little dry, you can make it little more dry. So brine is ready now. This is a very different recipe in a simple way. Give it a try. It's a must try recipe. Try this recipe in your kitchen. Leave your comments in the comment box. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Masalama. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to click the bell icon.